In this video, I'm going to cover this first proof in section 4.6 notes. This is CPCTC. And for the video, I'm going to skip the table method here for completing the proof, and we're just going to do the two-column proof. So let's take a look at what we've got here. We've got AM and BM, so those are already marked congruent for us, but if they weren't, make sure that you mark those. It's very important that you're marking your congruent parts. And we have angle A and angle B are congruent. And we want to try and prove that AD and BC are congruent. And we can see that these are two parts of the triangles, but in order to prove those congruent, we're going to have to first prove that our triangles are congruent. So I'm going to go ahead down here and put in my given information. So I have two pieces of given information, and we've got AM is congruent to BM, segment AM is congruent to segment BM, and I had angle A and angle B are congruent. So this is a pair of sides and this is a pair of angles. So let's go back up here. We've used all our given, so now we need to go back to the picture and see if there's anything we can figure out from there. And I noticed that I have these two vertical angles, and we like vertical angles because we know that all vertical angles are congruent. So let's mark those congruent, add that back to our proof. So step 3, I've got angle 1 congruent to angle 2. That's a pair of angles. And my reason is all vertical angles are congruent. So now I have two angles and a pair of sides. If I look back up at my picture, I can see this side is right in between the two angles. This side is right in between the two angles. So the method for proving my triangle is congruent. So I've got triangle AMD congruent to triangle. So let's see, that would be BMC. All right, and my reason is angle, side, angle. And we're going to put the steps that we have all our congruent parts in there. So 1, 2, and 3. All right, so now I have my triangles congruent. And again, we talked about these two segments are corresponding parts. They're parts that match up. If I took the top triangle and spun it around so it landed exactly on the bottom triangle, AD and BC would match up with each other. Those are corresponding parts again. So now I can write segment AD is congruent to segment BC. And my reason is CPCTC, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. All right, so feel free to rewind, rewatch, make sure you get all your questions answered, and we'll see you in the next video.